everybody. Toby here with 216 Auto Restoration, 68 Camaro, 396 4-speed car. Just gonna fire it up. Hasn't been started for quite some time. I stick a battery in it here, like I said, in the little short, and see how it goes. All right, let's see. He said it hasn't been started for quite some time, actually, since I started it. Whoop. Put a little feel to it. Connection. Oh, give me a second. Me moving all my stuff out of this shop here because I got a new lift in. So I'm gonna move the Camaro and the Firebird and stuff over to my other place where I've been working out of. Eventually get moved into here. Well, there you go. Fired up, but boy, oh boy, that gas is bad. It stinks so bad. This new fuel sucks. You have to go get some super unleaded without the ethanol in it and put a few gallons in. Like I said, I probably haven't put gas in that in probably at least a year. So anyways, well, thanks for watching. Next up, 73 Nova. Take care.